Today we are making a viral potato and smoky skewer bites, but the secret is in this spicy egg dip. First up, we need our potatoes. Slice them as thin as you can. Next, we are taking our smokies and slicing them into bite-sized pieces to match the potatoes. Now for the fun part, assembling the skewers. Take a wooden skewer, slide your thin potato slice slightly and thread it in. Follow it up with a piece of smoky and repeat the pattern until your skewer is beautifully packed. Be careful not to prick your fingers. Next, we grate some veggies for flavor and a pop of color for our skewers. To make this elite, we need a spicy killer batter. Whisk together 1 egg, flour, and our spice blend. We need garlic powder, paprika, turmeric, and salt. Mix it into a smooth, thick paste and give your skewers a deep bathe so every single inch is coated. While we mix our batter, drop a comment below if you love potatoes as much as I do, and if you want the exact measurements for the batter. Hit subscribe right now so you don't lose this video when you try making this recipe later. Repeat this process until all your skewer are beautifully coated before we begin to fry them. Gently lower them into hot oil. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. Deep fry them for a few minutes while turning them so that they don't burn. Remember, we want them crispy and crunchy. Deep fry them until they turn out gorgeous, deep golden brown. Look at the texture. They are hot, crispy on the outside, and savory on the inside. If you enjoyed this quick 4-minute snack recipe, hit that subscribe button for more easy kitchen tips. See you in the next YouTube video.